Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Glow Cosmetic Academy. So today we are going to do Korean rice milk toner. So without any delay, let's get started with the rice toner. So here I have my distilled water. So here comes our star ingredient, which is the rice starch. So please make sure you're taking rice starch and not rice powder. So both of it is different. So I have rice starch, and here I have a combination of EDTA, D-panthenol, airlight, niacinamide. Measured. Here I have my humectant, which is capryl glycol, butynyl glycol, and sodium hyaluronate. So here I have my rice protein, hydrolyzed rice protein, and here I have my collagen extract. And finally, the preservative. So let's get started. So in my distilled water, I'm going to first add my rice starch. So giving it a good mix. So quite easy formula, easy to formulate. Now, once I've added, I'm just going to go ahead with my EDTA, D-panthenol, airlight, and niacinamide. So just going to give it a good mix so that everything is well dissolved. So here I have my humectant and my hyaluronic acid, moisturizing ingredient. So it is added to moisturize your skin and also to hydrate your skin. So I've already made a slurry of my hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronic acid, with my humectants. Just making sure, taking every bit of that. You don't want anything to be left behind. Well, give it a quick stir, mix it well. So here we have our hydrolyzed rice protein. So if you don't want to change the color of your toner, you can skip this. But if it is okay, and then you can definitely go ahead with this. So this adds an extra benefit for your skin. Now giving it a gentle mix. Okay, now I'm going to add my collagen extract. So this is a vegan collagen, plant-based collagen extract that I'm adding. Mixing it well. So you can see how this looks. Now finally I'm going to add my preservative. So let's explore the wonderful benefits of our rice toner. So rice toner has been cherished for centuries in Asian skincare for its remarkable properties. It's known for its it is known for to brighten the complexion, hydrate the skin deeply, and also even out the skin. It is rich in antioxidants. Now, voila, we have our Korean rice milk toner ready.